Workforce planning and talent management. Workforce planning and talent management are essential components to ensure that organizations have the right people with the right skills in the right positions. The strategic workforce planning enables organizations to anticipate their future talent needs and align their talent management initiatives to foster employee performance, engagement, and retention. The interplay between these two elements not only drives organizational success, but also cultivates a thriving workforce prepared to meet future challenges. Be prepared because a surprise identification question appears after the discussion. Understanding talent management. Talent management encompasses all HR processes and strategies to attract, develop, motivate, and retain high-performing employees. It represents a holistic approach that integrates various HR functions, including recruitment, learning and development, and performance management. By focusing on a seamless talent management strategy, organizations can maximize their potential and build a sustainable competitive advantage. Importance of proactive workforce planning. Proactive workforce planning involves assessing the current workforce and anticipating future needs in the context of an organization's strategic goals. This proactive stance allows HR professionals to better understand market dynamics and prepare for shifts in talent requirements, ensuring that businesses are not caught off guard by sudden changes. A strategic perspective on workforce planning provides a basis for effective talent management practices. Strategic workforce analysis. Strategic workforce analysis is fundamental to aligning talent management practices with organizational goals. By evaluating employee skills and competencies against future job demands, companies can identify potential skill gaps and initiate targeted training programs. This analysis is essential for fostering a well-equipped workforce capable of meeting evolving operational challenges. Cultivating a high-performing team. Effective talent management focuses on cultivating high-performing teams by integrating various HR functions. This involves creating a system that motivates and engages employees through structured performance management, training, and development. Organizations that prioritize talent management initiatives foster a culture of performance excellence, enhancing productivity and overall business performance. Enhancing talent engagement and retention. Enhancing talent engagement and retention is crucial for maintaining a motivated workforce. By implementing talent management practices that emphasize employee recognition, career development, and a supportive workplace culture, organizations can significantly reduce turnover rates. This commitment to employee well-being not only retains top performers but also reduces the considerable costs associated with recruitment and training new hires. Integrating technology and talent management. Incorporating technology into talent management processes enhances efficiency and data-driven decision-making. Talent management software can automate repetitive tasks and offer valuable insights into workforce dynamics, enabling organizations to refine their talent strategies. By leveraging advanced analytics, companies can make informed decisions that boost employee engagement and retention, continuous review, and improvement. Finally, organizations must continuously review and refine their workforce planning and talent management strategies. By establishing relevant metrics and soliciting employee feedback, HR professionals can ensure that their practices align with business objectives and adapt to changing market conditions. This cyclical approach fosters an agile workforce prepared to meet future challenges effectively. Understanding and implementing these key elements, organizations can create a robust framework for workforce planning and talent management that drives success and fosters a resilient, engaged, and high performing workforce.